Hey guys, welcome back to Jamaican Princess, and today we'll be talking about the Colgate toothpaste. So make sure you sit back, relax, like, share, subscribe, and don't move a muscle, okay? This is the moment to talk about the Colgate toothpaste, which I've been using over so much years, and it have proven itself that this toothpaste is amazing. It works well with all teeth type, and I noticed that there are so many flavors in Colgate toothpaste I did not know about, honestly, like really. So when I went on Google today and I was looking up the Colgate flavors, because I am currently using the sparkling white. If you know that, it is really good. I think it just came out because I just see it in the supermarkets, and I tried to get it. So I was using the cavity protection one, right? I'm gonna tell you, it's good. It works good. Not like it. I've been using it over the years, and if somebody I use a product from way back when I'm still using it, imagine. Come on, people, like seriously, let's start, man, because Colgate toothpaste make your mouth fresh and smell nice. Anybody don't like when their mouth fresh and smell nice? Something wrong with you. Me have to say it. Something's clearly wrong with you, because people don't like to smell stinking mouth. People do not like to smell stinking mouth, and I clearly cannot stomach it. So my love, when the Colgate pop in, I always travel with a Colgate in my bag, because me have to brush my teeth 24/7. It's when me eat, I don't like the embarrassment when somebody say, it's something in your teeth, you can take it out. I don't have a problem with somebody telling me that. But I just want to ensure that I carry a toothpaste and a toothbrush in my bag, and do my little thing. So if nobody see me with my toothbrush and my toothpaste, I brushed my teeth in other people them food place like KFC or KFC bathroom, and them I say, Lord, the girl don't have no yard. She couldn't brush her teeth her yard. A sweetness is good when your mouth fresh. So if your mouth not fresh, me sorry for you. Get a toothpaste and a toothbrush and brush your teeth. Let's brush it together. I don't have a problem. You know? Lord. One thing I like about Colgate toothpaste, it is not expensive. It is affordable. Even if you're poor as somebody, you can buy a Colgate toothpaste, because, oh my God, Colgate cater for those who cannot afford this big expensive toothpaste, because some people just run for the expensive toothpaste and then use a toothpaste that will make your mouth smell fresh, and use a toothpaste that will also make your teeth look white. And Colgate provides so many types of toothpaste, whether whitening, teeth whitening, or just you want your mouth fresh up. So you can't go and go use the Colgate, man, it good. Yes, I'm not saying nothing wrong. Well guys, this is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, tell a friend or family to subscribe. I have more videos in my platform you can go ahead and watch, and come back tomorrow for more videos. Bye guys.